Hi, my name is BODE FAVOURS. I'm a 20-year-old computer science with data science student studying in UCD. I'm in my final year and I'm actually in the data science stream, which I chose last year. For context, data science is basically when you combine things like statistics and programming and then use it on data to basically extract some insights. That's like the most basic way to explain it. It's basically getting like interesting insights from like a bunch of data. So like for example, like let's say your favorite like lipstick company or whatever, we'll say MAC, like they might analyze their data to see, oh, who's my target audience for this lipstick? And then they'll know how to market that particular lipstick and who to market it to. Like if they're seeing like loads of teenagers are buying it from their data, they'll be able to know, okay, so like when we're doing our marketing, we're gonna direct it at you guys. So that's basically kind of what I do in a nutshell. That's what basically most of my day is related to, data science related things. So my day-to-day in college anyway in UCD is lectures, and then more lectures with like a hefty dash of assignments. So it's pretty intense, but I do love it. Like I really enjoy data science, so it's all really fun. And then aside from lectures and assignments and things, I do demonstrating, which is basically where like I help with modules I've done in the past during labs, where people like basically do practical things from like all the lectures they've been learning. And then I do digital ambassadors too. So like my day in college consists of a lot, it just depends on the day. Within school, I definitely do a lot of different STEM activities. So like I mentioned, I do the digital ambassadors, which is just to help people like gain some technology skills, because a lot of times people coming don't really like have too many technology skills. So it's really nice to like boost people's confidence and make them feel more comfortable within that. So what drew me to the role was really my mom. Basically like my whole life had been like surrounded around medicine, and when it came to 6th year I really didn't know what else to put on my CAO list, because I was like medicine. So my mom encouraged me to put down computer science, and this is because like my mom, she herself was actually doing an undergraduate at the time of business and IT, so she kind of had like a knowledge of like how in demand the like computer science / STEM space was. And my dad also did a master's in computer science as well, so like my whole family, they kind of know how like important it is. But like despite them knowing it, I still really wasn't like trying to hear that. I was just like medicine, and I was really drawn to medicine because I love biology. Like I feel like I've always been super like attracted to like science subjects, so I loved all the like different like analysis sort of vibe to it. Like I loved in biology that you just got to like sort of like analyze your own body and you knew what was actually going on. Like that was so cool to me, that like I like saw my blood cell, or I didn't see my blood cells, but I just knew what was going on in my blood cells. I knew like what was going on in my kidneys. Like that was really cool. And then even with maths, it was super analysis vibes. Like you had to like really like pick out certain things, and like I wish like back then I'd known that like, oh, you like all this analysis stuff, you like all this like algorithmy stuff, and like having to put things 2 and 2 together, like computer science would be a cool option for you. But like I never really saw it as an option at all. So like it's crazy to think about all those little things that like I think are like part of me. So within this field, I've definitely had to overcome some challenges. Like I found definitely in the beginning of my course, Imposter Syndrome was crazy. Like there was maybe 120 of us in first year, and maybe like 20 girls, like if even. So it was just a lot, like seeing so many men, because I came from a girls' school as well. So I was like, what is going on here? Another one of the challenges I've facing is being a black woman in tech. So like being a woman in tech is crazy anyways. There's literally barely any reviews, especially in my course, but then being a black woman in STEM or in tech in my case is even crazier. Like in first year there was 3 of us, and now there's actually just 2 of us. So I think I'd love for it to just see more black women in tech, and just for them to know that's an option. Like because like we definitely deserve to be here, and our presence is definitely needed. And especially in tech, you need so many different type of people and different type of minds, especially for things like data science. Like because one person will see this and be like, oh, like I can extract this type of knowledge from here, or another person will see this. So you just need like a variety of people. So yeah, I definitely say black women tech is where you belong if you want to be there.